Hello, I'm here today to go over your digital notebook for the circulatory system. So we just got finished reviewing the notes on the circulatory system. So this activity is kind of like your application of what we learned, over the past day or 2 days or whenever we went over the circulatory system. So if you look here, all of these slides, there are a bunch of slides. There are a total of 16 or 15 actual slides that you'll need to complete, which is why you have 2 days to complete them. But the good thing about that, it seems like a lot, but the good thing about this is that on the left-hand side of each slide, there's typically like a background so that you can kind of read through the background and get to your answers. And then you'll have an easier job answering the question. So it says, for example, how is your blood pumped throughout your body? How do you get nutrients and oxygen get to different parts of your body? Or how does your body fight off diseases? The circulatory system, of course. It is one of the most important systems in the body. It's made of the heart, blood vessels, veins, capillaries, and arteries. The systems of vessels, muscles, and organs make up blood transportation and delivery system within the body. So, of course, when you go to complete your slide, it says, what is the circulatory system? You can kind of go right in your background and answer it. It's one of the most important systems of the body, and it makes up the heart, blood vessels, veins, capillaries, and arteries. Okay. Again, same question. I literally just answered that. And then what makes the blood transportation and delivery? What makes up the blood transportation delivery system? It would be the blood vessels, right? So you can kind of go through and answer those respective questions. Slide 4 is just a little bit more background to help you answer slide 5. So this is like more your background slide and then your application. Slide 6, this is a drag and drop. We know how much you love drag and drops. So you have the different components of blood. And then we told you how many kind of boxes you'll need. So for red blood cells, there's only one correct answer. For the white blood cell, there's two. For plasma, since it's a liquid portion, it transports things. So a lot of times when you see that word transport, it would belong there. And then your platelets. And then again, you have a couple more of these background slides where you have to read on the left and then answer the questions on the right. The first one, slide 7, is on the heart. The second one is on circulation, so in and around the body. And then specifically your blood vessels, so your arteries, capillaries, and veins. So then the next 3 slides are literally all on your blood vessels. So we really want to make sure that you understand the difference between the different types of blood vessels. So this one, again, slide number 10, is a drag and drop. Each category has 2 each. Okay, so kind of can do it based on arteries, capillaries, and veins and what you know about each of those. Slide number 11, we kind of told you, and everything is actually color coded, so that should be pretty easy for you to kind of drag and drop to reinforce those different types of blood vessels. And then the same thing for slide number 12. Okay, so slide 10, 11, and 12, they have a lot of the same content. It's just a different way of exploring that knowledge. And then the last 3 slides, they are going to be about your heart and kind of maintaining a healthy heart. What can you do? So an energetic heart or a healthy heart versus a tired heart. So you can kind of drag and drop. Each category has 6 of those boxes, so you know exactly how many to expect. And then a healthy heart, again, what should you do? What should you eat? What should you not do? Like, should you not smoke? To answer those questions on the right. Slide number 15 is a vocabulary slide. So I like this, you drag the Band-Aid over to the definition of the respective word. Okay, so that's your last one. And then, of course, we have a brain pop. The brain pop is, or not, excuse me, an ed puzzle that goes over blood flow through your body. I really liked it because it explained the difference in like the color changes of your blood, like the dark crimson red to the bright red, and where that happens in your heart, or excuse me, in your lungs, and then in your different body parts. So it's pretty simple. It's about 5-6 minutes. And if you're paying attention, there's no reason why you can't get a good score. Okay, so that is your digital notebook on the circulatory system. It will take you the 2 days, which why we signed it the one day, and it will be due the next. But you should be successful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.